Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we should learn the Newton's third law of motion, its definition, and also explain it with the help of some examples. Let us start our lesson. Topic is Newton's third law of motion. Its definition is, to every action there is always an equal but opposite reaction. Mean every action have reaction but opposite in direction. We try to explain this law with the help of some examples. First example is a book laying on a table. The weight of book act downward, whereas the table act on book upward. The downward force exerting by a book is action, whereas the force exerting by table upward is its reaction. Second example is air-filled balloon. Air-filled balloon, when it set free, it move in irregular path in air. Air releasing from balloon act on the atmosphere downward, whereas the air present in the atmosphere as a reaction act on air-filled balloon upward. So air releasing from balloon are action and force exerting by atmosphere upward is its reaction. So action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction. Third example is a moving rocket. When a rocket move upward, it release gases downward. So these releasing gases act on the atmosphere downward, whereas atmosphere as a reaction act on the rocket upward. So here is also action and reaction are equal. Fourth example is flying of bird in air. Flying of bird in air is also an example of Newton's third law of motion. Every bird act with its wing on the air present in the atmosphere downward, whereas air push them upward as a reaction. Another example of Newton's third law of motion is pulling a tonga by a horse. Walking of a man on the earth is also an example of Newton's third law of motion. These are all the examples of Newton's third law of motion. I hope you will stand Newton's third law of motion with the help of these examples. This topic is on the page number 63. You can also consult this topic on your book. Please write it on your neat copies and learn it by heart. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is slogan of native school. Allah Hafiz.